Now we've shown you how to recreate a web resize action and also an action for creative effects, but we're going to take things one step further now and show you how to create a droplet. And what this will enable you to do is to simply drag a load of images to something on the desktop and have that action applied without even having to open Photoshop. And better still, all those images will be saved in the same folder. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work. First of all, we're going to create a new action. I'm going to call this Web Resize 800 with Save. Click Record. Now we want to open an image. File, Open. Let's find something on the desktop. Here we go. Image opens. Now we want to do our web resize, so you'll probably remember we use File, Automate rather than Image Size, and then went to Fit Image, entered the same amount, the longest side, the longest pixel size we want for both the width and the height, and this caters for portrait and landscape images, so we want 800 for both. Don't enlarge. Click OK. Now we want to convert our profile, so Edit, Convert to Profile. I'm going to go from ProPhoto to sRGB for the web, and perhaps you want to apply a little bit of sharpening as well. Unsharp mask 0.4, around sort of 80%. That works well. And next off, we're going to save the image. It doesn't matter where we save it, but we want to use Save As. So File, Save As. And as this is a web resize, we want to save this as a JPEG. So I'm just going to save this on the desktop. Doesn't matter, as I say, where you've saved it, but we do want to select JPEG. So check JPEG there. Click Save. And it's important now, the quality settings you use will be applied across the board each time you use this action. So I'm going to set it as 10, which is a good safe bet. So click OK. And the action is done. Click Stop. Now, here comes the clever bit. We want to go to File, Automate, Create Droplet, and choose where this droplet is going to be saved, and we want it on the desktop, and also give it a name. We've got Web Resize 800 with Save. That works well. We've already got one there that we trialed before, so I'm going to click OK. Yes, I do want to replace it. Now we want to have this box checked, Override Action Open Commands. When you click it, you'll see this little dialog. Just click OK. Destination, Save and Close, but again, it's important that we have Override Action Save As commands checked there. Then we click OK, and we're ready to go. So if I navigate to the desktop, you'll see in this test folder I have some high resolution TIFF images. I decide I want those converted for web reproduction. I don't want to open each individually and go through the rigmarole. Actually, I don't even want to have to open them and go to the actions palette. All I want to do is simply to drag them to something on the desktop and have it done for me. And watch. So I'm going to select all of these now. Click and drag them to my Droplet Web Resize 800 with Save. You'll see them open and the action applied to each. And now if we navigate to our test folder, you'll see that we have two versions of everything. So we have our original TIFF image, and we also have our web resized JPEG image. So there we go. That is really, really useful droplets. So you can have as many droplets as you like on the desktop, set up to do all different things. So if you've got folders with lots of images, it's a really easy way just to automate certain tasks without even having to go into Photoshop. Photoshop will open automatically even if it's not open already.